students, in my last class I have explained how to divide the two expressions. In this class also I am explaining example number 7, and example number 7 is same as the last example. Divide the polynomial. This is one expression is given, we have to divide this expression by this expression. Let's divide it. This is dividend. It has to be written inside 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1, and here this is divisor. It has to be written outside. Let's start. First we have to divide first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. So it will be 3x to the power of 4 divided by x. So 1x and 1x get cancelled. Out of 4x, x to the power of 4, 1x get cancelled. What will remain? 3x cube will remain. Whatever remain, that is considered as quotient, and it has to be written here, student, 3x cube. Now we have to multiply quotient with the divisor. 3x cube into x will be 3x to the power of 4. 3x cube minus 1 will be minus 3x cube, student. Now we have to change the sign, as I told you in my last class also. The sign is plus, so it will be minus. Here sign is minus, it will be plus. These two get cancelled. Minus 4x cube plus 3x cube will be minus x cube. Why minus x cube? Because the greater number sign is minus. This is smaller number, greater number sign is minus. That's why minus x cube. And these things will be as it is, because we don't have the another term of x. So this will be as it is. We don't have constant to solve with this constant. So this will be as it is. Now again, the first term, whatever remain, the first term of that one divided by first term of the divisor, minus x cube divided by x. Here again 1x and x get cancelled. Out of 3, minus x square will remain. So this minus x square has to be written here. Then this minus x square has to be multiplied with the quotient, student. Sorry, divisor. Minus x square into x will be minus x cube. Then minus x square into minus 1. Minus into minus plus, student. X square into 1 is x square. Now we'll divide it. We have to change the sign. This will be plus and this is plus, it will be minus. So these two get cancelled. Plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Here we have minus x square, but in the first expression we don't have x square term. So this term will be as it is along with the sign, student. So minus x square as it is, because we don't have another term to solve with this term. And here minus 3x, we don't have another term of x, so minus 3x again as it is. And here minus 1 as it is. Again same thing, we have to divide first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. So 1x and 1x get cancelled, another x is remaining along with the sign. So this minus x has to be written here, minus x. Now we have to multiply this minus x with these two values with the divisor. Minus x into x will be minus x square. Minus x into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. X into 1 is x, student. Here, student, minus x into x, minus into plus is minus, x into x is x square. Now change the sign. This is plus, this is minus. These two get cancelled. So minus 3x and minus x will be minus 4x. Same sign, we add student. Here signs are same now. Minus x minus 3x will be minus 4x. This minus 1 as it is. Again, first term of the dividend divided by first term of the divisor. X and x get cancelled. Minus 4 will remain. So this minus 4 has to be written in coefficient. Now multiply. Minus 4 into x will be minus 4x. Minus 4 into minus 1. Minus into minus is plus. 4 ones are 4. Now we have to change the sign, plus, and this will be minus. Minus 4x plus 4x get cancelled. Minus 1 minus 4 will be minus 5. So we divide it. Now we'll write the remainder, quotient and dividend, divisor, all we'll write here. So we'll know which is dividend, which is divisor, which is quotient and which is remainder. Let's write it. First I will write the dividend. Here dividend is this expression, this one, 3x to the power of 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x plus minus 1 is dividend, and divisor is x minus 1, this is r, here this is o, and quotient quotient, quotient, this is called as quotient. Okay, here, so this will be 3x cube quotient minus x square minus x minus 4. Then we have to write the remainder, remainder. Remainder is minus 5. I hope you understood how to divide it. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section, and I hope you know which is dividend, which is divisor, which is quotient, which is remainder also. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching.